Do you think respect comes with time, age, or position? Not anymore. Respect can be earned instantly, but only if you do what I am about to show you. Do you want to earn respect instantly? Not after years, not after proving yourself again and again. But now, today, the truth is you can. Respect doesn't always come with age, status, or money. Sometimes it comes with the way you carry yourself, the way you talk, and how you treat people. This video will give you 10 simple yet powerful things that can make people respect you right away. Apply 1, 2, or 3, and people will start looking at you differently. Let's begin. First, speak less but say more. Most people talk too much. They're trying to explain every detail, fill every silence, and dominate every conversation. But the ones who speak less with calm and clarity are often the ones who are truly respected. When you don't waste word, every word you say carries more weight. Think before you speak. Keep your tone steady. Speak with purpose. The book The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene says, the more you say, the more common you appear. The less you say, the more powerful you seem. Second, keep your promises. Even the small ones, if you say you will call someone back, do it. If you commit to a deadline, meet it. People judge you by how reliable you are. When you do what you say, you build a reputation of being trustworthy. And trust is the foundation of respect. Don't make promises casually, and once you make one, take it seriously. The world is full of talker. Be a doer. Third, don't try to please everyone. The more you try to be liked by all, the less you are respected by anyone. Stand for something, have your own opinion. Even if it's unpopular, when people see that you are not afraid to disagree or say no, they see strength in you, and strength earns respect. The book Bearing Greatly by Brené Brown talks about the courage to be vulnerable. Respect is not about pleasing, it's about being authentic. Fourth, control your emotions. Especially in difficult situations, don't lose your temper. Don't panic, don't overreact when everyone else is shouting or getting emotional. Be the one who stays calm. That's how leaders are seen. Emotional discipline is a powerful signal. It tells people you are in control of yourself and others can depend on you. Inner control creates outer respect. Fifth, treat everyone with respect first. Yes, everyone. The auto driver, the waiter, the office cleaner. People notice how you treat those who can do nothing for you. If you respect people regardless of their position, people will respect you regardless of yours. In Japan, there is a philosophy called Rai. It's a way of living with courtesy and grace. Kindness is not weakness, it's a strength in disguise. 6. Master one skill. Be extremely good at anything. When you become really good at one thing, people automatically respect you. It could be your job, your art, your knowledge, your leadership. Be known for something. Excellence speaks for itself. It doesn't matter where you are from or what your background is. If you are excellent at something, people will look up at you. That's why experts are always respected. 7. Carry yourself with dignity. Walk like you mean it. Stand straight. Look people in the eye. Speak clearly. Dress neatly. These small things make a big difference. People judge your presence before they judge your words. You don't need to wear expensive clothes. Just wear clean, well-fitted ones. Look sharp. Because when you look sharp, people think sharp about you. The book Atomic Habit by James Clear says your environment shapes your identity. Your appearance is part of your environment. 8. Be silent when needed. You don't have to respond to every insult. You don't have to answer every question. Silence can be powerful. If someone disrespects you, challenge shows you are above it. You don't need to get into every argument. Learn to walk away. Silence makes people curious, and curiosity often leads to respect. A calm mind is louder than a loud mouth. Ninth, help people without expecting anything. When you help someone just to get something back, people can sense it. But when you help someone out of genuine care, if you support others in their hard times, they will never forget it. People respect people who are generous without being showy. You don't need to give money, sometimes just giving your time or listening is enough. Empathy builds deep respect. 10th, say no with confidence. A person who cannot say no cannot be respected. If you say yes to everything, people will walk all over you. It's okay to say no to things that waste your time, energy, or self respect. When you say no with calm confidence, people know you value yourself. That's when they say begin to value you. Setting boundaries is not rude, it's wise. These 10 habits can change how people see you. You don't need to beg for attention. You don't need to shout for validations. Respect is silence. It's not when your actions speaks for you. Remember, people may not always like you, but if you live with integrity, confidence, and humility, they will respect you. Now, here's a quick task for you. Out of these 10, pick any 3 you don't follow yet. Write them down. Start practicing from today. Don't wait, even small steps matter. Before we end, let's repeat one truth. Respect doesn't come from loudness, money, or titles. It comes from character. Build yours, and you will never have to ask for respect again. If this video added value to your life, share it with a friend, someone who might need this reminder today. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest, practical life lessons. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay grounded.